Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Leo. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Leo. Page of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Ten of Cups, the Hermit, Ten of Pentacles, center of my spread, Magician, Four of Swords, Judgment, and then the Devil. Bottom of my spread is the Queen of Pentacles. Wow, somebody has long term in mind here, Leo. They want it all. They want the full jig. They want the happily ever after, emotional happiness, legacy, the children, the house, the white picket fence, everything. Somebody is manifesting that big time. So yes, Leo, let's start with our dialogue message cards. Let's see what's going to happen here. If you guys could say something to each other first, what that would be, then we'll clarify these cards. So Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Leo and their person spirit. Leo and their person. All right, let's take a few more, Leo, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And a couple more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. Okay, good to go, Leo. Let's start our reading. The first card here says, I've moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I've chosen to focus on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. This could be this Queen of Pentacles who's totally focused on maybe themselves, on bettering themselves, is doing a great job of it from what it looks like. The ball is in your court now, as I've done everything I can to get this connection to move along. We are at a standstill now until you come forward with your feelings and put the wheels into motion. I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I just can't come out and say it. Damn. Somebody was looking to be chased, it seems. I love you not only for your beauty, but for your soul. Our love will be alive forever because of the way you are. Pure, true, authentic, real, raw, and passionate. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts to thoughts about us escaping reality to somewhere really quiet where we can be alone. I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for how I treated you. I want to restore your faith in me. Yes, I did see that. Somebody wants to restore this connection here, Leo. I haven't been happy for a long time. We see this from two different perspectives. All right, Leo, these were some of your messages, and I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message, and then we'll clarify these cards. So, my angels for Leo, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, learning experience. Somebody had to learn a lesson from this connection, it seems. Maybe about their ego and pride or something like that. Somebody had to go into this hermit mode to understand what they had and what they lost and what they want. Maybe both of you had to learn a lesson from this, I don't know. Let's now start clarifying the cards, Leo. Page of Pentacles. Have things stagnated between the two of you, Leo? What's this Page of Pentacles? Page of Pentacles. Ooh. Somebody wants to offer now. They want to re-begin, start from scratch. They want to offer their emotion. They have realized that I have so much love for this Queen of Pentacles. I want to be emotionally vulnerable. I want to be open. I want to start this connection right from the beginning. Can we start again, please? Can I call you? Can I woo you? Can I romance you? Because heart of hearts, I have so much love for you, which I haven't yet told you. They do see victory in this connection though. Six of Wands. Or they want victory. Six of Wands. What's this, Spirit? What's the Six of Wands? Maybe in the past they didn't... maybe they were sitting a little bit in their ego and pride, and they didn't reveal what their true intentions or emotions were. Maybe they didn't put in the work because of their ego and pride. But now they do want to have this partnership. They do want to have this equal give and take, because now they see that this has the potential of going the long haul. The Ten of Cups. What's this Ten of Cups, Spirit? Yes, somebody wants to now show up back, I think, as I want to be the man. I want to take control. I want to show you that I'm the emperor. I will do right by you. I will commit to you. I want this happily ever after with you. And all this has come after a lot of introspection, I feel. After spending a lot of time by themselves. Hermit. What's the Hermit card, Spirit? Hermit. Yes, they are recognizing why this connection came to a halt or a stagnancy. They're recognizing that they maybe showcase themselves as maybe a player or a very immature person who was not consistent, who was just dipping in and out of people's lives, not showing that they were mature, basically. And they are now recognizing, in whatever little time of solitude or time alone that they've had, they're recognizing why things have stagnated. It's because of this behavior. So what's the Ten of Pentacles then, Spirit? What's the Ten of Pentacles? They now realize that their person is very upset and angry with them. Now they are, the more I think time they are spending by themselves, they are recognizing why they've been dropped, and why their person has been upset with them. Now they want it all. They want it all. They want the home, they want the family, they want long term. This person in their silent hermit mode has recognized all the faults that were done and why their person has dropped them or not talking to them. Or now this person is manifesting big time. What are they manifesting, Spirit? The Magician. What are they manifesting? What are they manifesting? They're manifesting everything that they lost. Yes, everything that they lost. They're recognizing now that their lack of maybe saying what they should have at the right time, their lack of giving communication or messaging or whatever has actually killed the connection, and that's the reason that Ten of Cups is in reverse right now. They are manifesting some kind of movement. They want to either move towards their person now, or they are expecting their person to move towards them. This person is conjuring up images of a happily ever after with this Queen of Pentacles, I think. This has come after a time period of being in solitude and reflection. Four of Swords, Spirit. Four of Swords. This person, yes, in this time by themselves, they've recognized that, I didn't do right. I left them out in the cold, or now they are feeling left out in the cold. They're desperately manifesting an end of all these sleepless nights, of overthinking, of stressing, of tension, and manifesting a rebirth of this connection. They want one more try. They want to say, hey, can we just begin again? So, Judgment, Spirit. Judgment. Yes, again, see, want to try one more time. This is another card of saying, I'm not going to give up. Can I try one more time? But then we end with the Devil spirit. Why is that? What's the Devil card? What's the Devil card here? Ooh. Oh, one more. I think there's a bit of fear attached. There's a bit of fear attached, maybe by the other person, maybe by this Queen of Pentacles, who feels that this connection is very toxic, and this Queen of Pentacles could be the one who could be blocking them, holding back. I'm not going to allow you back in. I'm not ready for a new beginning with you again. Yes, I found you attractive at one point, but you kind of messed up with me big time. You were very attention seeking, you were too prideful, you always kind of wanted to be in competition with me, you hurt me. Am I right, Spirit? One second. Queen of Pentacles, why are you the overall energy? Say something to us. Queen of Pentacles. Yes, Queen of Pentacles is the one who's very disappointed. They feel my person is very immature. My person is very immature. I am very disappointed by the way they behaved with me. And yes, this Queen of Pentacles is the one who's going to have their guard up now. I'm not going to allow you back in such a hurry, buddy. This is what you did. And I'm afraid that if I give you a new chance, then you're going to do the same thing to me again. So as much as I think one person is dreaming of this brand new beginning, this Queen of Pentacles is, I think, focusing on themselves. They've taken their control, taken their power back. They are blocking off. They're blocking off big time any new beginning, holding back big time. They feel that this connection was too toxic. There was too much of this kind of, too much of imbalance here. So yes, maybe this was a learning experience for this Queen of Pentacles to have boundaries, and could have been a learning experience for this person to not sit in their ego and pride. And whatever said and done, that's the message for today, Leo. That's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.